Hey guys, hey. So in the middle of me making content, making these videos and these pictures for my lip gloss launch, my ring light broke and I was devastated because I had so much work to do. I ended up having to order another one. So this is the unboxing of my new ring light. So here we go. You want to help me? Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get it ready. This is Mommy's new ring light. It's heavy.
Mommy, let me help you.
Okay. Come on. Ready? It's so heavy. Yeah.
What is inside?
Look, it's a ring light to help Mommy make video and pictures.
I want picture too.
Alright. Let's get rid of the other box, the big box. Alright.
I need scissors.
I need scissors?
Yeah.
I know. No, Mommy, hold the scissors. Okay. You can help Mommy open the box. Alright, pull this one up. There you go. Whoa.
Whoa. It's so big.
It is.
Wow.
Let's see. You think you can hold the box for me? Hold the box. Let me take this out. Whoa. So cool.
Let's open it.
You open it.
Yeah. We open
What else is inside? I see something else inside, puppy.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
What's it? Whoa. What is this?
That's the stand.
That? Right here. I got it right here.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so let's set it up, okay?
Okay.
Leave it, puppy. Leave it. Leave it. You're going to break it. Look, let me turn it around. See? It's the light. Okay? Get up. Up, up. Thank you.
Up this?
Yeah, we're going to open that one too.
Okay.